If you want to become a millionaire, then this video is for you. You can start your passive income stream and earn $12,000 in just 1 month. Here is that. I opened a YouTube channel stats. You can see that $12,000 in just 1 month. He gained almost 3 million views in just 1 month, and you can see that he gained almost 144k views dollar in just 1 month. You can see the graph is constant, so you can make a channel over there and start a content, and you will also earn thousands of dollars in the platform. So you can see that. Now you can share with your friend to this video, so help you to spread this video and earn a lot of money. So here I open a YouTube channel, so you can see that here is one video recommended to me. I just opened it. Here is that he gained almost 36k views in just 9 days. So you think that he gained just 36,000 views and he cannot earn money, but you think that these views come from the Europe and the America. So I will show you how does US this person earn money in just 1,000 views, how much he gained dollars. So I just scroll down to show you USA gives $1,000 1,000 views in just. I just scroll it down. You can see the United States is here. So you can see that United States gives $32.75 in 1,000 views. So you can also make a channel, and if you are from India and Pakistan, you can easily promote your video in the USA and America. So easily you can earn it. So I just calculated how he earned in 36,000 views. Here is that. I just opened a calculator on Google to show you how this person is earned. 36 multiplied by 32.75 and click on that. He earned almost $2,489 in just one video. So how you can imagine. So you should work on this in this niche, and you earn a lot of money, and also you have a passive income stream, and you have a bright future when you watch this video and work on the complete. And I will show you how can you generate a content, upload on our YouTube. Here is that. How can you make a content? This type of content means you have a hold on your content. You have a unique content, no one can copyright you. So here is that. Simply go to the Google and click Canva. If you don't have a Canva, I just put a link in the description, so you can install by watching this video. If you like my video, so please subscribe to my channel and hit like button. I shall be very thankful to you. Now you can see that how can I create a content for you. Here you just click on the video, simply click on it. 5-second video is open now. So how can you create? Type black gradient on the search bar. Once this is here, so you can adjust according to your own way. I just show you how can you create it. Simply you can see it that I take a leaf to make a beautiful video for you. How can you generate a content? You can see that. Simply I go to the YouTube channel, Google, and type Abraham Lincoln quotes, because if you just copy and paste it and earn a lot of money. So you just click on it, Abraham Lincoln. You see that thousands of quotes of Abraham Lincoln are here. So don't be worried, content is enough. So you easily make hundreds of videos on Abraham Lincoln and other and in Americans, revolution persons and presidents and other bureaucrats as well. So you can also make a content from there. So just search it, and you can make a video on that particular person. So I just copied this quote, Control C, and then I'm going back and then click add a heading and then paste it. I just set a font. You can use different type of font. I just use a different font to show you how they look like. So you can see that. So you just watch my video. In the end, you can have a huge amount of knowledge to make a content. So I just take it and set it according to your own way. So you can, one thing is that how can you have a transparent image? Type Abraham Lincoln transparent image. Here is there so many transparent images are here, so you can generate from there. Simply save to the desktop, and then here is that image has been downloaded. Simply click on the upload files, and select a file and upload on your Canva platform. Here is that you can use. Here is that you can see the content here is under process. So I just modified how can you create it properly and more effectively in a professional way. I just type Abraham Lincoln. Now I just age, Abraham Lincoln age is 56. Now you can see that I just resize the size, use small size, and also reduce the size of Abraham Lincoln. Here is that I adjust a content. You just and set a transparent is the main thing. So you can set the transparent of a particular title, so you can transparent it. I just make a logo of my channel to see that when I monetize my channel, then YouTube review that this has a on content, so you should add this type of channel logo on your content. Then this help you to monetize quickly, and it is easily monetized, so don't be worried, because the channel name are here. For example, I just my channel name is a Motivational Qoutes, so you can also do this. Now how can I transfer the text? So you can see that you can see the different effects, so you can choose according to your own way. I choose a one. Here is that the content is under process, is one video has been ready, so you can how they look like. So don't be worried, so be happy and be relaxed. You can start your own passive income stream. Now you can change your color, any type you want to change, then you can select and change it. I just go to the Google and type free TTs. Here how can I voiceover? Free TT is the best way to you can use voiceover from this, a genuine voiceover. Paste your chords, scroll down, convert to MP3, and I use Matthew Mail and click on the convert and then download it. You can see that click on the 3 lines and click on the download. Here is the download is, and click of your voice and upload on that. You can see the audio is uploading on a Canva. You can see that you can adjust it. Here is that I adjust it. So here is that is a beautiful code is ready. And how can you make a duplicate? Simply click on the duplicate and just change the code. Don't be worried, everything is same, so you should just change, copy and paste it, and your another content is being ready. Abraham Lincoln Qoutes. Again I just copy my favorite quote of Abraham Lincoln is the first one. So you can copy it and simply go to the free TTs, and you can explore different type of voiceover over there, but this one is more suitable for you, but you can explore that. So you can paste it and then remove the previous one, add new one, and click convert to MP3, and again go to the download and do the same process. Download it and do the same process and upload on a Canva. Now you can see that your content has been ready, so you can make a video according to your 50-minute, 30-minute, 3-minute, 5-minute. So you can adjust it and then easily duplicate and more. So just open. Here is that how this content is generated in a simple way, so you just follow it. And another thing is that I will help you to how can you create a thumbnail, because thumbnail is essential. If your thumbnail is not good, then automatically the clickbait is wrong. Simply type Canva and thumbnail and upload a black gradient on a Canva. So how can you look like? Do you see that he just type half quote and make a suspense of the viewer? When the suspense of the viewer is occur, then automatically the person click the video and automatically it will increase the engagement. So you can adjust it, reduce the transparent, and according to your own way adjust it. Go to the 90, type on that, simply paste a copy and paste a picture, adjust it. I make a thumbnail for you. How can you make a attractive thumbnail? So I just prepare quote, so you can choose any type of quote you want. So this person is like a red color, to attract more beautiful color like that. So I will make for you how can you create a more beautiful than previous YouTuber. So you are just change a font, so you can also use it. Here is that. I take a leaf. You can also take any type of thing. So I just adjust it to take to more beautiful thumbnail. So and then again I type Abraham Lincoln name and age 56. So if you are here, please subscribe to my channel and hit like button. I upload a daily video on my YouTube channel. If you can also use different type of links such as a Canva Pro, you can create a Canva Pro by using this link, and also you can follow my on Instagram. So I shall be really thankful for you if you support me in the early stage. I will also give away from you when I am reaching to the 50k subscriber on my YouTube channel. So subscribe it and share as soon as possible, so you can adjust your content. This is the most easiest way, so you can just earn thousands of dollars by using these tricks. Golden era of Abraham Lincoln of USA. He is the first president of USA. So this helped to do revolution against the slavery. So this is the start from the golden era of USA. I just adjust it and reduce the side from the top and adjust it. You can see how the content is created in just a simple way. Just copy and paste. You just copy and paste, easily you can create it. Here you can see that the thumbnail has been ready. So how can you download in a proper way in a huge pixel? Simply click on the share, scroll down, click on the share, increase the pixel. If it's not, then Canva Pro is not yours. So it is that thumbnail has been ready, so you can see that how they look like. So I will show you how can you generate a title, attractive title means the person viewer read it and then they engage through title. So I will show you. Here is Abraham Lincoln quote that are really worth listening to. This is a beautiful. He gained almost 9,031k views in just 11 months. So you can see that I just type a word counter. So you can use according to your own way. So don't be worried if you not use the word counter. It is not necessary for you. So I just made for you, open it, and just to show you how the title, if the title is short, it means more people are engaged with you. It's a YouTube policy. That's why I open a word counter. Abraham Lincoln. So I 45 quotes of Abraham Lincoln, so you can add it, and you can also add different type of attractive keyword in your title. This will help you to boost your channel. I use a legend Abraham Lincoln. So the title has been ready, thumbnail has been ready, content has been ready, everything has been ready. So don't be worried, everything has been ready. So you should just work on it and follow my steps and watch video many times. This will help you to memorize my content, how can you create it. So watch it properly. Thanks for watching. If you really like my video, so please like it and comment it and share it and subscribe it. I shall be very thankful.